Hi students, today I will explain you the geometry formula, okay, maths part 2. Now I have written the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height, okay, 1/2 base into height. I will draw your triangle, you will understand this. This is base and this is height, okay. Next formula is when the height of two triangles are equal, then what will be the answer? When the height of two triangles are equal, okay, if I will draw the triangle, okay, and see here two triangle, this height is both common in bigger triangle and also the smaller triangle, then what is the formula? Area of one triangle upon area of another triangle is equal to base upon base. Similarly, when the base of the both the triangles are similar, for example I will draw here triangle, okay, and base are both same, here this is the base, then what will be the formula? Area of one triangle upon area of another triangle is equal to h1 upon h2. And if both the same, both are not equal, then area of one triangle upon area of another triangle is equal to base 1 into height 1 upon base 2 into height 2. Okay, understand this formula? Now next I will explain you the formula of the BPT. Okay, what is BPT means? Basic proportionality test. Another name of BPT is also called as an Thales theorem. In this, what we have taken that when the line is drawn parallel to the base, then the ratio which will the line which is divided, then the ratio which comes is AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. In this, what we prove that the line divided, then the ratio will be upon, okay, in this. And what is the converse of BPT? Converse of BPT means the line L is parallel to BC, okay. What we have find out here in the BPT theorem, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. I will later on explain it, okay. Next it is the angle bisector theorem. How you will find out that it is an angle bisector theorem? If there is a triangle and these circles are drawn and this arrow, this will prove that this is an angle bisector theorem. How you will prove this is the theorem? That two circle and ray, okay. The theorem is like that: AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. What it is? AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. Understand this angle bisector theorem? Now next it is an AA test. AA test means when the two triangles are there, then all the three angles are similar. For example, this is similar to this is similar to this, and this is similar to this, then it is called as an AA test. Next it is an SAS test. In the SAS test, one side is congruent to this side, angle and angle are congruent, and base are congruent, then it is called as an SAS test. Now third, it is an SSS test. In this, three sides are congruent to each other, then it is called as an SSS test. Now next theorem, it is an areas of a similar triangle. When the areas are two triangles are drawn and their areas, okay, then what we will find out? The area of one triangle upon area of another triangle is equal to side square upon side square. You can take any side. I have taken the AB upon PQ. It is square, AB square upon PQ square, okay. This is the formula which we used in the lesson number 1 for maths part 2. Understand? Now I will explain you how this BPT theorem is actually. In this, if we draw the triangle, okay, when we draw the triangle, this is BC and this is A, okay, and the line is parallel here, L. Construction, okay, we will name this as a P and Q. In this, what it is given, you have to write here. For example, theorem name: the line of the parallel to the side of the triangle intersect the remaining side of the two distinct points, and the line divides the side in the same of the proportion. It is the theorem name. Given what it is, line L is parallel to line BC, okay, and they intersect at the point P and Q on the side AB and AC. And what we have to prove? That AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC we have to prove. And construction, what I have drawn here, PC and BQ I have drawn. Now how you will prove that? In this, height is common in this both the triangles, okay. So directly we have write that area of triangle APQ, okay, upon area of triangle PQB. APQ and PQB is equal to AP upon PB, okay. This why this is AP upon BB? Because of the area of the proportionate of the base. Okay, base is common. Similarly, area of triangle APQ upon another triangle, area of triangle, see APQ and PQC. What it is? AQ upon QC. Okay, same reason, area of the proportionality of the base. Now you will see that PQ is common in both the sides. Therefore PQ, we will find out that PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, when in this, then in this both triangle PQB and PQC both equal heights, therefore both the triangles area are equal. Okay, area of triangle APQ is equal to, sorry, not APQ, PQB. Okay, area of triangle PQB is equal to PQC. Okay, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. Now what we will prove? That from equation 1, 2, 3 we will prove that directly AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Okay, we have proved directly. If you have to write another point, you can also write before this. For example, like this, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Okay, this is our final answer. Understand, student? Now we will explain the practice set number 1.1. Only two sum I will explain here. In this diagram, question it is two triangles are given, ABC and ABD. You will see that in both this triangle base is same. Base what it is? AB is base. Okay, AB is the base. And what is the height? BC and AD is the height. I have at the start only I have explained you, when the height are different but base is same, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. This is the question from the exercise. What we will get? Directly height upon BC is the height and AD is the height. Now in this question you will see page number 6 that BC is given 4 and AD is given 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So our final answer is 1 upon 2. Understand this question, student? Now next I will explain you that you will see here that 2 to 3 triangles are there. In this triangle PS is perpendicular and QT is also perpendicular. Perpendicular, how it is denoted by the symbol? This small triangle. Now what we have to find? That QT we have to find out. Okay, given there is RQ is equal to 6 given. Next PS is equal to 6 it is given, and this PR is equal to 12 it is given. Okay, when we consider the triangles, okay, we will directly write that RQ, which is the base, upon PR is also base, okay, multiplied by PS. PS is an height, okay, upon what we have to find out? QT. This is also height. Now we have taken the triangle PSR and internal also PQR. So now QT is equal to RQ into PS upon PR. Okay, what we have taken? Area of one triangle upon another triangle. Okay, now RQ what I have written here? 6, PS 6 and PR 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, answer will come here 3. Understand, student? Okay, QT what we have find out? 3. Thank you.